Alright guys, so today we're going to play the fourth planet of Ratchet and Clank, the first one. And who knows, maybe get some more cool gadgets, kill some more fucking aliens. Let's do this shit.
Yes, quite lovely. That should just about do it.
You've already destroyed 4 planets?
We are finished with this world. Commence towing our planet to its next destination.
How do you tow a planet?
Yes, sir. You have fulfilled your tree quota. There, we are ready to return to base. Not so fast, Lieutenant. Just because we don't need any more trees doesn't mean they should have them. Destroy everything.
So he wants to blow up the whole world. And he's like a little kid in that phase that goes, everything's mine. This is mine. This is mine. It's all mine. Well, I don't see that rolling too well. Because I'm about to go kick his ass. And yeah. It's always fun to see somebody get their ass kicked, right? Like those fights. They got bar fight. I'm not old enough to go bar. But all I ever hear about from my brother is, yeah, there's this big ass bar fight. It's these two girls were just freaking fighting it out. I'm like, sweet. Can't wait till I turn 21. Nope, wait. Oh, no. I shot that. Woo! Close. I like how these little grappling balls come out of nowhere and it's like, oh, now you can go here. It's like, seriously? Why wasn't that there earlier? Wow. Usually I'm not very good at solving those. Hey, that's the lieutenant right there. Hello, sir. Clank, fight! Oh, you just shit. You pooped out a robot.
You sure showed him. I suppose I did.
Oh, yeah, Clank. You fucking showed him who's boss.
Is your current occupation leaving a rotten taste?
You're not supposed to eat it.
Then you need to know about BTS, Blog Tactical Research Station. Hi, I'm Supreme Executive Chairman Trek. We here at BTS are seeking motivated individuals to fill positions in these exciting programs. Grind food tester.
Oh, right in the nuts.
Mutant animal husbandry. Robot
He doesn't like the chicken. He likes the people.
and test dummy. Administrative
The suck cannon.
So call BTS.
Sounds like a lonely guy's best friend.
You is your future.
I'm calling BTS to run.
I like his voice.
I'm
gonna make you ask the dog.
Let's go get some. No, we must continue our search for Captain.
No, I don't want to continue our search.
Absolutely right. I am.
Holy shit. How is the whole hand? They say if your hand is as big as your face, you probably have cancer.
I suppose. Well, we go to the space station, talk to the scientists.
And then when you try it, people just smack it in your face.
I am unsure
Well,
about your luck.
his hands are about as big as his own head.
Come on, let's go.
That's all I gotta say. His hands are fucking huge. Oh, hell no. You ain't gonna touch me with that axe. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. He's coming. He's coming. Alright, now we all good. Build that bridge. Build that bridge. Yeah. Good job, Ratchet. We can build a lot of things with that fucking wrench. And actually, there's this thing back here. It's not a bolt, I don't think. I believe it's one of those robot things. Yeah, there's one of those things you get later in the game that you get that helmet, and you can control one of those little fighting robots that'll help you out. That's what that little yellow cap is. Oh, guy with the big axe. Heck no. I just noticed Ratchet's wrench got extremely huge there. But I guess it's a video game. You can't be too logical. You can't have a one-size-fit-all wrench. What's wrong with you? Everybody always asks me why I hurry through levels. It's like, don't you want to just go slow and savor the level? No, not per se. It's like some levels, yes. Some levels I just want to hurry up and get done because I've played them before and it's really not that good. Because some levels make you mad. You just die a lot on them or they're extremely challenging. Hey! You're not supposed to race. I like how he's like, oh no, I've been hit by a wrench. I'm dead. I have to go down and die. Oh, you want to egg me on? Well, you come here. Oh wait, you already did. I got the suck cannon! Except for I'm not a lonely guy, so it's not going to be my best friend. I already got one of those. It's actually my coworker. Suck cannon! Bring it on, bitch! I'm full. Oh, now it's a blow cannon. Once again, another lonely guy's best friend. Alright. It's only been 8 minutes. We could do it. We could do another level, bros. Alright, we're in the space station. I know I can actually go outside and get a gun as Clank, but I can't go outside as Ratchet. Yet. Keyword is yet. I know that Ratchet can actually go outside later on after we get the O2 helmet, but we don't get the O2 helmet until the Hawaiian level, which is quite a ways away. It'll probably be episode 4 or 5 before we actually get there, but maybe that's just me, because I've played these games so much, sometimes the game just feels extremely long. Thank you, I already know. I'm already doing it. Thank you, ma'am. I was like how the frogs just exploded into a bunch of goo. I think we gotta go this way. Neither one of those actually does anything for us, or gives us any bolts or anything. But later on as Ratchet, we can jump up on those blocks and jump over there. And there's a bolt actually up there. See, there's a bolt right there. As Ratchet, you can jump on this crate, this big crate, and just jump over, and it's extremely easy. But as Clank, there's no way you can. I don't believe there's any way you can make it, because I believe you need a run. Yeah, you need a running start to get over there. What the hell are you? I would kick your ass, but I'm afraid you might eat me. Alright.
You have just activated a gadget.
Gadget. Manigabat. Like a badge bot. A gadget bot. Alright. Attack! Attack! Yeah, follow. Now attack. No! 3 of them died. So yeah, like usual, once all your robots die, you gotta come back here and tell them to follow you again. And yeah, they just randomly regenerate. So I actually see the weapon I'm getting for Ratchet right over there. And alright. I like how we can fit these really big things in a tiny belly of his. Just eat it. Nice giggle. Nice giggle, Clank. I like on the PSP actually they actually have a game called Secret Agent Clank, and that just made me think how nerdy he is actually, because that giggle there he does, just I don't know what it was that reminded me of that game, but yeah, that game actually is really fun. He's like the ladies' man, and Ratchet is the butler.
So you are. And I found this. Hey, cool. It's a, what is it? A hydro displacer. Hooray. I always wanted one of those.
Yeah.
I guess.
Because everybody knows what a hydro displacer is. Alright. So we're actually gonna buy a weapon.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Because I know exactly what's at the end of this planet. We're probably going to finish this planet up and call it good. I'm going to go with the side that actually I know is going to take a bit longer.
Need a little help with these enemies? Try Gadgetron Taunter. Available in
I was going to say I don't have the taunter, but thank you for offering. Alright, there's pretty much just a bunch of bolts in that room. Nothing too significant. Oop. That was a good waste of ammo. Oh, good thing I got it back. There's actually frogs hiding in these crates, that's why there's green goo coming out of them. Alright. This reminds me of Jurassic Park. That's what it does. Alright, so I'm about halfway through this level. Or through this side. Why are you guys so fast? I like how they're like, oh, where'd you go? I believe you might just be able to skip. Yep, you can. You can just skip going around all the other monsters. Because there's all those platforms. I never knew you could jump over here until I just did it. Oh, great. You're so lovely. Is there any way to strafe? Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Alright. So that's why I chose this side first, because I usually die quite a few times in that room. But stop biting me. Nope, I refuse to die. Alright, so we only got 2 health going into this. We can do it, bros. Alright. Alright, giggity giggity. Spend some health. Alright, now we should be good to go. Now I'm going to do the submarine part. Oh, this guy gives me grind boots, I think.
Some nano-whip in genetics must have left the cave. You can come down now. Honestly, a gadget engineer deserves a bit more respect, if you ask me.
So, you are an inventor.
Gadget engineer. I create revolutionary devices for Executive Chairman Greg. For instance, Viola. My soon-to-be patented
Viola?
grind boots. Look, I need to get out of here so I can find a new job. How about I sell you these? At cost. Sell? After we just saved your scrawny butt? All right. I'll give you the employee discount, too.
Employee discount.
I'm gonna
Jesus
get out
fuck,
of here.
that's a lot of books. Alright, got my grind boot. And we got full health. It's the best day ever. Ooh, we can lean. Get jiggy with it. Do you see these moves? Ow, well. Alright. Well, that's the end of this level. Oh, wait. We still got the submarine part. Alright, we'll make this one a little longer. I don't care. Alright, let's go to the warship and let's blow it up. Blow it up. See, this is where my just run past everything comes in handy, because this whole ship we have to blow up. We hit this red button and it blows up the whole ship. Spoiler alert, sorry. Press the big red shiny button. Oh no! A robot? We need that info bot.
Please remove all personal belongings.
Please remove all personal belongings. Alright, we're just gonna make a run for it. We should have no problem. Except for those damn things keep biting me. No! Stop biting me. This whole place is about to explode. Uh-oh. I didn't do it, I swear to God. I didn't touch that shit. I don't know who pushed the big red shiny button. Special report.
Reporting live from Blackwater City.
Darla Grotch.
We just learned that Captain Quark will be presenting the grand prize at the Intergalactic Hoverboard Championship.
Bet he's like, hi Mom,
Here over the next
I
few
can
days.
see you. Oh shit,
In relation
he just got eaten.
This planet has recently
She don't
been
even
suffering
care.
from an
She's just gonna
infestation
keep
of
talking.
strange amoeboid creatures. The city's administration has assured this reporter
He's like,
that
what are you
every
doing
step
over
has been
here,
taken
lady?
to eradicate
You're not
these
scared?
nuisances. Darla Grotch,
Sneak up.
Channel 2 News.
Oh, she's dead. She's so dead.
Yes, I hope that poor woman is all right.
She's fine. I think. I was talking about the hoverboard races.
Oh, way to see the big picture, Ratchet. Alright, with that, we are going to end this episode. And we'll meet you again with the next planet.